Okay, physics students, today you are going to be doing a lab on flat mirrors. And so you will open up the flat mirrors document on Google Classroom, and it comes in two parts. The first part is going to deal with a simulation. And so at the very beginning, there's a link that says go to the plane mirror simulation. Click that link, and you're given this. And this black line is the mirror. This is your object. You can move your object wherever you want to. And right now it doesn't really show anything, but we want to show, give a little bit of context here. So we put the grid on. These blue lines coming off are what we call incident rays. Those are rays of light that are striking the mirror. Maybe they came from a light somewhere and they hit this object and then they reflect off and then they hit the mirror. The green lines are reflected rays, so they reflect off of the mirror and shoot off back beyond the object. These red dotted lines are the lines that are virtually created behind the mirror. Again, there is no behind the mirror or inside the mirror, but our brains interpret these rays of light as if, like this green line right here, as if it was coming from over here. Now, let me show the image, right? So if, let's say this is you, okay? You're looking at that mirror, you're gonna see yourself standing, what, 7 units plus 7 more units. You're gonna look like you're 14 units away from yourself. Okay, when you look in the mirror there. If you come closer, that comes closer. If you go farther away, so you can move these things around. You can move the rays around. We put the control points on, so if I can move this around here, I can move this around like so. I can make this object bigger or smaller. So you're going to play around with that, just follow the directions and then answer the questions that go along with this. The second part, the idea here is for you to find an actual mirror in your house, hopefully one that you could move. If it's not, like let's say there's one in your bathroom that you can't move, if you can just get a bigger sheet of paper maybe or a bigger object, basically what you're going to do is you're going to stand up the mirror, and then you're going to set it on top of a flat sheet of paper. And then you're going to put, get some type of object that will stand up on end, tall and skinny. So I don't know if you have, Woody from Toy Story or something tall and actually something simple, like a pen or something. I don't know, something tall and skinny like the arrow up here. But it doesn't, not super important. Exactly what it is, but if it's taller and skinnier, it works better. Now on this, you're going to come down and you're going to look at the object in the mirror. You're not going to look directly at the actual object. You're going to look at the object in the mirror, and you're going to be off center. Okay, so you're looking into the mirror, you see that object, and what I want you to do is I want you to draw a line from your eye to the image you see in the mirror. Now, obviously, it's going to stop when it hits the mirror. Now, when you're done with that, you can kind of stand back up and then come over and draw a line from your object to where that line met the mirror. And then you're going to make some measurements as far as the angles go. Again, do the best you can here. If you have questions, please feel free to email me. And then answer, include pictures where you need to do that here. All right, good luck.